Hello everyone. This is the continuation part of the level design process. So I am just continuing the scaling. This is the human figure, the mannequin you can see. So what I am doing right now is scaling my vehicle. So as you can see, I'm scaling my vehicle. So this practice is quite normal actually. In level design, you have to you have to do the tweaking, do the modification of the assets. So yeah, it's right on the track on the yes. So I'm just adjusting them. So proper scaling is a very effective part. Yeah, I'm just scaling up here, as you can see here. I'm just scaling up the assets, the vehicle. I have 24 of them, 24 sci-fi vehicle. All are being scaled up. Okay, as you can see, I'm doing the scaling up. So right proportion is very important part actually. It's very important for kind of like a yeah, you can have a right proportion here. Proportion is very tricky part, and sometimes you can have a actual measurement, but sometimes you can just eyeballing the the proportion. So as a 3D designer, you must have a strong understanding of the scaling and all the things. So I'm just doing the scaling. Just doing the scaling. Yes, you see one by one vehicle, one by one. I'm just doing the scaling. So I just use a very I mean the multiple vehicle, sci-fi vehicle. The all are in a hovercraft category. So yeah, it's like it's like yes. I'm just placing right now. I'm just placing them on the city street, as you can see here. This one. So by the way, these are the hover cars. They don't have the wheel. They don't have the wheel to move around and traditional on the road. So they are actually kind of like a mini spaceship. So it's like I got this inspiration from sci-fi movies and the games. So it's like it's made for the RTS style assets, but I got a huge inspiration making these assets from the Star Wars series. which is one of my favorite sci-fi series actually. As you can see, these asset, I mean, the in front of the engine part and all that, these are kind of like a, like I got the inspiration from the Star Wars movies. So they are very high speed vehicle moving around. It's like I got this kind of concepts. And also there is another movie called Fifth Element. The movie, they got a sci-fi city and the vehicles are like this. Okay, idea comes from movies and games or whatnot, maybe. Okay, so you just as a 3D artist, you always have to be uh, focused. What you want to bring, what you want to design, and what is the inspiration coming from. Okay. So this is like this. So I'm just populating them in my city. Okay, as you can see, it's like you have a motion, and these are the platforms. Yeah, you can see these are the the landing platforms, like passengers will go on, and kind of like a board or onboard platform. They will board the plane or craft. So these are like kind of a station. So yeah, from there they can take off and move one place to another, something like that. So you just place them like a believable motion, that yeah, these vehicles are moving from point A to point B. Okay, and you need to put them in a container. So keep in mind that what I'm doing right now, you need to put them in the container actually, to 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 file management easier. Yes, now you can see from this point of view. Yes, the city is looking populated, kind of like a flow of is going on from the top view. Okay, looking very colorful. So I use this one is like um, bring up the human figure. This is the scale, and bring up the vehicle. Yeah, and scale it up. Yeah, like that. Scale it up. Okay, scale it up once more. Scale up. Yeah, yeah, now it's okay, I think. Yeah, now copy it several times, and yeah, you got your ring vehicle, kind of like a alien city somewhere around the space. Okay, the emissive is looking very nice. I mean, the emissive lights behaving properly, and scale up according to the character. Scale it up, scale it up. So this is like a kind of like a heavy vehicle, like a sci-fi train or a sci-fi truck or a bus. You can compare it with a sci-fi bus, kind of public service vehicle moving around from from in the space from point A to point B. Yeah, the engine lights is very good looking. I mean, looking so nice. So the engine part. So I just use three of my asset spec for this one. One is Sci-Fi City Building Pack, one is Sci-Fi Road Pack, and one is the vehicle pack. I mean the hover car, and oh sorry, four pack, and one is Sci-Fi signboard. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just testing after placing the vehicle. I'm just testing it again and again to look it how to look like this. So it's like although they're in a still position, but you can kind of a feeling that they're moving. Yeah. Now bring up the measurement unit, scale it up according to the character. Yeah, scale it up. Now you see, yeah, this is kind of okay. Yeah, place it there. Place it there like this vehicle is waiting for passengers, waiting for kind of ready to transport from one galaxy to another galaxy, something like that. So they are like like a platform for as I mentioned earlier, like space platform. Okay, this one is going copy several times. And I have the vehicle, very interesting. I mean, yeah, they are kind of, yeah, big proportion, kind of like you can just eyeball the proportion of the vehicle and copy them. So eyeballing is very essential in level design, or the 3D artist. Sometimes you need to eyeball, sometimes you need to work with exact measurement and very precise measurements. Okay, so this kind of issues you need to face. Yes, bring up that. As I'm bringing up the human character in floating parts like this. Okay, delete this, and yeah, make a couple of copies. I just want to show the CT, every angle the CT is looking good. Okay, it's a CT block, by the way, not full CT, but it's looking good. you know the green parts you are seeing, that will be some sort of city park, or the open space, something like that. And you notice that the lots has a lighting system, like you can see the blue lights around the city park. Okay, so everything is very sci-fi looking. Also, you can find the streets are with the light system going on. So like you can walk in the city, and you can float in the city with these kind of vehicles moving around. Yes, see it finally looking very nice, so colorful. And for the RTS perspective of view, this is quite okay, I think. From the RTS perspective, this is not, these assets are not for, first person, but for the RTS point of view, quite good, I think. Okay guys, I am in the final stage of this video, so I will keep continuing and come back again. So you keep watching and keep subscribe me, and please share this to your friends and colleagues, and to your loved ones. Thank you very much.